What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is going to be a fairly quick video, but it's pretty cool at the same time. It's all about the camera and the shutter button. So let's launch the camera. So go into your camera app. We'll just turn this around. You can do it with the front camera regardless. But anyways, what it's going to allow you is to change the shutter button. The shutter button is this button right here. When you press that, it takes a photo. If you press and hold it, you can drag it to where you want. So basically, if I want it here, I can now take a photo there. And again, it works with the front camera as well. So you can put the shutter button anywhere that you want. I thought that was pretty freaking cool. So if you don't like it down there, or maybe you want it over here to the right, wherever you want, it's gonna stay there as well. And when you're done, just let your hand off the screen. If you wanna put it back to here, just click and drag it over there. But anyways, that's how you can instantly move the shutter button again to wherever you want. Pretty freaking cool. At least I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below about moving that shutter button. Hopefully that was a cool little trick to show you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you down the road. Peace.